they call me. Promise that you never be lonely. Be the fam, that's what they call me. Promise that you never be lonely.
Hey YouTube, it's your girl Indigo. Come back to another video today. So today we are making taco egg rolls. We are making taco egg rolls today. We are at the store right now getting the ingredients that I need and the food that I need for it. And when we get back home, it's going down. Hey Booney, you at Walmart shopping? So we got some hot dogs in the cart. Bye. Booney. Let's see. What's wrong? You want those chips? What chips you want? What chips you want for me? These? We gotta get some smaller ones. These? Give me some. Cute. Thank you. For the taco egg rolls, I'm gonna need ground beef. This is enough. I'm gonna need rotel as well. So we're gonna get like 2 cans of this. So we need sour cream for this. This should be enough. So I got them this. You like your stuff? You like it? Show them what you got. Ooh, trolleys. We're gonna need shredded cheese. I'm gonna show y'all what shredded cheese I usually get for tacos. I'm gonna get the sharp cheddar. I feel like it's gonna make it taste really good. Okay. Taco. I'm gonna get 2 of these. I think I'm gonna get these over here. It's cheaper. Forgot one more thing, which is vegetable oil. Those that want to use canola oil, go ahead, but I like to use vegetable oil. So we have lettuce. And we have the egg roll wraps right here. So I'm back from Walmart now to start getting ready to cook these taco egg rolls. I keep forgetting what it's called. Okay, so for this you're gonna need obviously the ground beef that we picked up from Walmart, lettuce, vegetable oil or canola oil, rotel. I got 2 cans because I got this big old thing of ground beef. A couple packs of taco seasoning, sour cream, and egg roll wraps. Oh yeah, the shredded cheese. I got extra sharp cheddar. Well, right now what we're gonna do is we wanna get our pan warmed up. We're gonna get ready to put the hamburger meat in there. We don't want to add any oil because this already has grease in it. So right now, I'm gonna prep my lettuce. Just gonna get it cut up a little bit. Oh yeah. Let me get my other knife out. Another knife. sit that right there. Lettuce. So we're gonna take a break on that and get this hamburger meat in the skillet. Gonna get this hamburger meat in the skillet right now. I want y'all to be able to see. Getting the meat cooked right now, so that by the time the kids get out of school, all we gotta do is basically dress the egg roll and fry the egg roll. The meat will already be cooked. I just have to put the condiments on it and just cook it up. This is the best time to videotape though, because the kids are at school, it's quiet in the house. So right now I'm just gonna make maybe like 2 or 3, and then when they get home, I'm gonna make a bunch. So I'm just getting this chopped up. So I have my strainer ready in the sink so that when the meat browns all the way, I'll be able to drain it. It'll probably brown another 3 to 4 minutes maybe. Okay, y'all, I forgot about the egg wash part. The egg wash is gonna be used to like seal the egg rolls. I'm gonna show y'all when I do it, but yeah, egg wash is a mixture of egg with a little bit of water or a little bit of milk beaten. Put a little bit of water in there. So the hamburger meat is actually brown right now. So what I'm about to do is put my hand-ins on and strain it. Oh, some heavy shit. Y'all know how strained hamburger meat looks, so let's show y'all. See, this is how it looks. Hamburger meat. The strainer, I'm sure you've seen it. So now we're gonna let that come out. Drain. Then we'll put, oh shit. Put it back in our skillet. So right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add my taco seasoning to the meat. I'm actually gonna turn the fire back on, simmer. Wait, what is the directions? Okay, you need some water in here. It's not too late, let's get this water. It says add a cup of water to this, so yeah. Add that water. And before I actually add the other pack of seasoning, I'm gonna actually add my own seasoning to it. So yeah, I'm gonna add my own seasoning to it right now before I think about putting another pack in there. What I'm gonna add is some garlic powder, some pepper, some onion powder, and that's about it for now. So we're gonna start with the garlic powder. Wait, did I got the shirt on wrong? Shirt on wrong. Okay, so we're just gonna add the garlic powder. I'll allow this a little bit. Then I'm gonna add the onion powder. You don't have to add this seasoning. You could just add the taco seasoning, a couple packs of this, and you'd be good. But me, I like to add these 3 things all the time, no matter what. A little pepper. I'm gonna put these back up because I'm gonna clean up as I go along. Now, fire is still on low. Okay. So I'm gonna taste it once it gets a little more hot. Okay, so now I'm about to taste it. Okay. It definitely needs this pack. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this pack of taco seasoning too. The second pack. Okay, also I'm gonna go ahead and add another cup of water because I just added not a whole cup. Actually, I'm not even gonna. I didn't even add the whole cup of water because I want this not to be salty, but it needs to taste like some. All that water, not good. You know, I don't follow the directions all the time. If it needs any more seasoning. You know what though? We might need a little bit of Lowery's. You know what this is. Just a little bit. Boom. And maybe just a little bit more onion powder. Okay. It should be good. Should be good up there. Fire is still on low. The hardest part is done. Now we want to get our grease set up in the pan or skillet. So right now I have my hamburger meat to the side on this side because it's done. Now I'm gonna have this skillet. I'm gonna put some vegetable oil in it because we're about to get ready to make these taco egg rolls. So I'm just gonna pour, not a lot, a little bit. Okay, a little more. It's not even halfway. Well, yeah, it's still not halfway, but it's enough. Since I already got my lettuce prepped, I can put this up now. There, go in the refrigerator. Turn the skillet on. Medium. So we're gonna let that warm up, and I will be back with y'all in a second. Let's get this open. Sour cream. Let's get a spoon for that. Spoon for my got a spoon for this, spoon for that. Got this ready, this is ready. Got the egg wash ready. Got the end roll wraps ready. Have cutting board ready. I can actually put this in the sink because I'm done with that. What I'm doing. So I have my egg roll wrap. I'm gonna put actually 2. Yeah, I'm gonna do 2 because I watched somebody else's video on how to make these, and when they did it, when they just added 1, it broke on them. So I'm gonna actually add 2. And actually I'm gonna add my lettuce first, so that the ground beef, so you wanna start with the lettuce first. So because you don't wanna add ground beef first. I learned from the video, somebody else's video, that when she added the ground beef first, that's why her bread ripped, even when she doubled the bread. That's why it ripped, because that sauce from the meat, yeah, sauce from the meat will definitely do it. So yeah, we're gonna put that. Get a little lettuce. You can put as much as you want on yours, but I don't want mine to be not so big because I don't want it to rip in this. You want it facing diagonal because you want to be able to, like, boom, boom, boom. Yeah, okay. So right now, actually, I'm gonna add my meat. I'm gonna add a little bit of meat. I don't want my stuff to rip up. Ooh, get that off there. Add a little bit more. We'll see how that one do. So now I'm gonna add a little bit of my rotel. Add a little bit of my rotel to the top of the meat. Maybe a little bit more. Okay. A little bit more. Okay. So now I'm gonna add some cheese. Okay. You could add sour cream or not. For this one, I will add it, but I'm not gonna add it for all of them. Oh no, that's too much. I'm messing up, y'all. Let's do this. Go it that way. This way. That sour cream is right there. Is helping that stick for me. It's like a glue. I had no idea, but now I know. So right here at this part, what I want to do is tuck all that in like that. Yeah, I'll get closer. Tuck all that in like that right there. This is where the egg wash come in at. My egg wash is right here. You're supposed to have a brush for this, but I don't have a brush for the egg wash. I'm just gonna use my finger lightly like this. Use my finger for the egg wash and put it right here on that part of the wrap so that it can like stick just a little bit. So that when it's frying, it can stick good, easy. Make sure all those sides tucked nice and tight. So I'm working on my third one right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my lettuce there. So I'll just speed it up. This shit coming out nice. This one gonna be a little big. This is the take that needs to be fast forwarded just in case you forgot. That. Okay. Okay, so now that my wraps are done being prepped, the grease is hot enough, I feel. So I'm gonna go ahead and add these to the grease. Are y'all ready? Are y'all ready? Are y'all ready for this or what? It's popping all on me. Go ahead and got your little station ready in case you need to add some more. Got your, make sure I want these ready so you can flip it. So you don't want it to burn because my grease was pretty hot. So now I'm gonna flip this over. Flip this over. You only want to keep it in there for like 2 minutes on each side. It depends on how hot your grease is. So if your grease is this hot where it's doing this, that was just a minute on that side. So that might work too. It's already cooked. Everything's already cooked in there. So you don't have to kill it. A minute on each side will work, or 2 minutes on each side will work. I don't know. Looking good. Ooh, that looks hot. Can't wait to eat that shit. Take that off. Put it on the plate. Take that off. This stuff done, man. No way that it's not done. Golden on both sides. Take this one out. Okay. I'm gonna turn my grease off for now. If somebody wants some more, I'll redo it. Okay, I'm gonna let that cool off. So now I'm about to let my sister Hope taste test this and see what she thinks. Okay, you ready to taste it, Hope?
Okay, y'all, I don't know what she got me trying, I guess.
Yeah.
Okay, bring it.
I don't matter.
Oh, it's juicy, y'all. The juicy juice. Hold on with it, hold on. Huh. Huh. You go for real. That shit good, period. That shit y'all need. That joint fire. It hit.
Okay.
Promise that you never be lonely. Be the fam, that's what they call me. Promise that you never be lonely.